Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss.
Still sleepy. Wow, good, Miss. Ini yang sleepy. When did you sleep last night? 10, Miss. Oh my god. Okay. Next time go to bed early. Okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Before we start today, let's pray together according to our own belief. Nah, okay. Let's pray together. Okay. I hope the material study today can be understand and the knowledge of brain will be blessing. Amin. Nah, let's take attendance. Yeah, let's take attendance of your class. Can you check our attendance? Okay. All of you here?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Okay. I want to check one by one of you. Yeah. The first one is Masyarakat Asifra.
Yes, Miss.
Hi, Atta.
Hi, Miss.
I hope you enjoy today's lesson.
Yes, Miss, of course.
Okay. Next, Nabila Aryani Bakti.
Yes, Miss.
Halo Nabila.
Hi, Miss.
I hope you are always happy and focused in our
Yes,
class.
always, Miss.
Okay. And the last is Era Fadila. Era Fadila.
Yes.
Okay. Era Fadila is still enthusiastic and not so efficient. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your sharing. I hope after our lesson you feel more awake and excited. Nah, because last week we learned about the narrative text, so today we are going to learn about the example of narrative text. Nah, this one the sorry. Nah, one of example of the narrative text is the Legend of Toba. Nah, everyone, because last week we have learned about the narrative text. Do you still remember what is the narrative text?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what?
It's a story, Miss.
Okay, anyone else?
I don't know, Miss.
Okay, it's okay. So narrative text, yes, a story that usually entertains and teaches a moral value. Yeah. So what is the structure of narrative text?
Orientation, Miss.
Okay, orientation,
Complication, Miss.
complication, and the last one is
Resolution.
yes, that's right. So the narrative text has three structures: orientation, complication, and the resolution. Yes. Nah, before materials begins, I want to show the learning objective, identifying the context and drawing a conclusion from the narrative text, the Legend of the Toba, like through the Kahoot application. Now later we use a Kahoot application to check your understanding after read this text. So I will give you a reading text about the Legend of the Toba. Hopefully, through the learning objective, I hope you can understand, you can apply, you can analyze of the narrative text. We learned about the narrative text last week. So, now, have you heard about the Toba Lake?
Yes, Miss. It is in North Sumatra.
Yeah, that's true. Are you from North Sumatra?
No, Miss. I'm from Makassar.
Okay, all of you from Makassar?
Yes, I remember Makassar.
Okay, yes, that's true. Totally from North Sumatra. And here is the text, the Legend of Toba Lake. Now, through the narrative text, you can also improve your reading text. So I wanna give you to read this text. But I'm reading the first. I'll read first the paragraph and then each of you will read the text. Okay? Now the one is read after me. Starts from Shatan, Nabila, Nabila. It's okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. The first one, the first paragraph, the legend of Toba. Once upon a time, lived a man named Toba. One day, he cut a fish and brought it home to eat it. He left the fish in the kitchen and searched for some firewood. After he came back, he was surprised. Okay, shut up. Next.
Okay. The fish turned into a beautiful woman. Toba fell in love, then asked the woman to marry him. She agreed in one condition. Toba must never tell anyone that she was once a fish. Toba promised, and they both happily married with a son, Samoset.
Okay, next. Nabila.
Yes. One day, Toba was very angry at Samosir at the farm. Why did you eat my lunch, you son of a fish? Said Toba. Samosir cried and then ran to his home. He told his mother what happened. The mother was sad because Toba broke his promise. Then she told Samosir to go to a hill because a disaster was about to come.
Okay, good job. Okay, the last paragraph. Era. Suddenly, yes.
There was a flood coming, turning the place into a lake. The woman jumped into the water and turned into a fish. Samosir was saved on the hill, but his father, Toba, drowned in the lake. After that, people started to call the place as Toba Lake, and they called
The island.
the island in the middle of
The island.
the island in the middle of the lake as Samosir Island.
Yeah. Give applause.
Yay!
Sorry, Sari. Okay. I hope after you read the text, you can imagine, you can understand what is the context, what is the message conveyed by the text. Can you imagine, everyone?
Yes, I can, miss.
Okay. Okay, it's okay because after this, to check your understanding, we have a quiz session.
Oh ya, kamu jangan sih.
Yes, Kakak itu, yes, Kakak is. Wait. Nah. So, to check your understanding, we use Kahoot to answer the question, and then you should to enter the code. And after you enter the code, I will start in my laptop. In my laptop. Okay, everyone, please.
Miss,
Okay.
ini nama lengkap saya.
Yes, nama.
Miss boleh kerja sama, Miss.
Jangan ya.
Ya. Oke, gue milih Miss atau
Sebentar, tunggu temannya ya.
Sudah Mimi.
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, sudah.
Ya,
Sebentar, oke. Sudah. Ini baru Syafar Asira, oke, Nabila Ariani sama Era Fadila. Oke, jadi tolong still focus on your laptop. There. Okay. I will start 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, aku bisa kayak ini sekolah. Ibu yang dia mencari.
Okay, okay.
Dennis cepatnya waktunya. Tahu warnanya.
Iya boleh. Oke, berarti ya fokus on the reading. So the next question. Condition did the woman if before marrying Toba? Is the first the highest scores? Okay. Okay, dia belum It's okay, Nabila. You can the next question. Nah. Wih. Wow, you got it. Yay. Okay, the next. We have 10 questions. So the come from which part? If you remember.
Yes, Miss.
Why?
Yes, Nabila.
Okay. What happened after Toba broke his promise?
Apa tadi ini kan? Tahu.
Yeah. Only two? Oh, okay. It's okay. Now, the next question
What is the name?
of Toba's son.
Samosa.
Samosa.
Eh, no,
Maaf, yes.
it's okay. Okay. Good job. Yeah. Next.
Ada 10 ya, Miss. Itu teman asam sakit buat itu.
Because a big disaster was coming. Yeah. Because the first wall was still attacked.
Mau ada kejar Nabila ya?
Okay, next. Please. How does the story end? Okay, only two.
Ya, saya salah.
Wih, dari
Next.
Sarah is okay ya. Try again. The ninth question.
Apa ya?
It's my idea. My idea. Okay.
Coba.
Wih, still lagi lah. Yeah, the last question.
Bismillah. What is the moral value?
The moral feeling of the story.
Tapi Nabila menjawab.
Wah. Yeah, so who is the first? Teng teng teng. Siapa? Era Fadila. Oh my god. Belum bisa lagi. Okay. Wow. Nabila, congratulations. Okay, so after read and answer the question, so let's review the material today. The structure of the narrative text. What is the structure of narrative text?
Orientation, complication, resolution.
Yes. Jadi ada
Tiga.
Okay, my students, let's discuss one question together. So, why did this disaster happen in the story? Okay.
Because Toba broke his promise.
Yeah, that's Melina. That's a very story. Nah, okay. this way. Okay. Nah, so what can we learn the from the story?
Thanks.
Okay.
We should keep our promise.
Yeah, we should keep our promise. Why we should keep our promise?
Because so people can respect us.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's right. The story teaches us to give us our promise to. The story teaches the importance of keeping promise and respecting our family. So jangan mengikat
Janji.
Nah, let's review. Let's review again. So, what are the main structure of narrative text? Okay.
Orientation, complication, and resolution, Miss.
Yes, betul sekali. So, what the moral value of the reading text?
We should keep our promises.
Yes, that's
Tidak
right.
boleh
Nah,
janji.
betul. Okay, I want to give you homework to write a short story about your personal experience and follow the structure of the narrative text. So the the structure of narrative text has a three, right?
Yes,
There is the orientation, and the communication, and the resolution. Okay, everyone. So thank you for being so active today. Thank you. I always appreciate for your attending, for your attention. Thank you so much.
You welcome, Miss.
Okay, now let's close before close lesson today. Let's write together again. Okay, done. Yay! See you next week.
Bye.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.